going to show you how to solve this kind of question so that in the reaction below, now look at the reaction here. How many moles of hydrogen gas will react with 2 moles of what? Nitrogen gas. 2. How many moles of ammonia will be what? Will be obtained for what? 5.8 moles of hydrogen or gas. So I'm going to give you a simple trick and techniques you can use in this one here. You can only get this trick and techniques from Chemicals TV. So if you have not subscribed to Chemicals TV, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell because you don't want to miss any video content we uploaded in this channel. And I will appreciate it more if you have your pen and notebook so you can take down every single thing we are doing. Let's get started. We have different ways of solving this question, but the simplest method, which I'm going to explain it to, right now, is straight to the point. Now, the first thing you want to do, now let me just put here. And the first thing you want to do is what? Write out the balanced chemical equation, which they have already given to you. Remember, if you want to solve any reacting masses question, first of all, you must write out the balanced chemical equation. And for it first, the question have already been given to us, and it has been balanced. Here we have 3H2 plus N2, yeah, okay, gas. I want gas. Give you what? 2NH3 what? Gas. Okay, so after this one here, the next thing you want to do is what? Write out what the balance mole and mass, right? Here we have what mole, here we have what mass. Look at that. So yeah, the equation is already balanced. Now what is mole? Yeah, here we have what 3 what mole, 3 moles. Right? Here we have what 1 mole. Here we have what 2 what 2 mole. Right? Now how do we get the balanced mass? Now the molar mass times the mass of mole. Right? Remember hydrogen. Now the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. 1 times 2 is what? 2 grams per mole. In that, for every 1 mole of what hydrogen gas, I have 2 grams of what hydrogen what gas, right? So 2 times 3 here I have what 6 grams, right? So the balance mass of hydrogen is what 6 what grams. How do I get my 6 grams? The molar mass times what the mass of what mole. Now nitrogen, the atomic mass of nitrogen N2 is what 14 times 2, right? We're going to do what 8 grams per what mole. Now for every 1 mole of what nitrogen gas, I have what 28 grams of what nitrogen what gas, right? So how many moles do we have here? Here I have what 1 mole. So 1 times 28, I'm going to have 28 gram, right? Next is what the ammonia NH3. So what's the molar mass of ammonia here? Ammonia is what 14 times 1 plus what 1 times 3, we're going to be 14 times 3, which is what 17 grams per mole. So how many moles do you have there? Here we have what 2. So 17 times 2, I have what 34. So here we have what 34 what grams. So to solve any reacting mass question, first you have to do this simple table here. Now once you can do this one here, you are what 50% done with the question. So now let's look at what the first question is. That how many moles of what hydrogen gas will react with 2 moles? So we are looking at the first question here. You have mole of H2. That's what you actually look for, right? Then they give us what mole of what N2, right? Which is what 2 what mole. So please, I'll wipe here so that I can use to solve the question very well. So I'm going to do that here. Remember, we are looking for the mole of H2, I will be giving you what the mole of what N2, right? So it's going to be what mole to what mole what relationship. So from the balanced chemical equation, 3 moles of what H2 is equal to what 1 mole of what N2, right? So for what balanced equation. So what are we calculating? We are actually calculating what mole of what H2, right? So what I'm calculating now, we are using they give us what 2 moles of what N2, 2 moles of what N2 all over what 1, right? So after doing like this, we have to times individual sign here. One must be at the top and one must be at the down. Now N2 you are calculating for will only be at the top, and the thing I'll be giving will only be at the down, right? So remember we are being asked to calculate mole of what H2, so it's going to be mole. So we have to go to the balanced chemical equation. So for the balanced equation here we have 3 moles of what H2, which we now going to be at the top, 3 moles of what H2, right? Then remember this one is already at the top, so this one moves to the down. Here we have 1 mole of what N2. So if you look at it very well, this guy and this guy want to cancel out, right? So if you do calculation, 2 times 3 moles of what H2 all at what 1. Here I'm going to have 6 moles of what H2 here. We have different method in doing this calculation here, but this is what is simple and direct method in doing that. So here will be what? So mole of what H2 is going to be what 6 mole, right? Therefore for the first question. The same thing we are going to do here. How many moles of what ammonia will be obtained? Will be what obtained from 5.8 moles of what hydrogen what gas. So the same thing here we have done. We are still going to do it here again. So we are looking for what mole of what ammonia, which is what NH3. That's what you are looking for, right? And we are being given what mole of what hydrogen gas. So mole of what H2. They give us to be what 5.8 what moles, right? So the same procedure here. So what are you actually calculating? You are calculating what mole of what NH3. So mole of NH3 equals to. Now we are being given what mole of what H2, 5.8 mole of what H2 all at what 1, right? So remember it's going to be what mole to what mole relationship. From my balance equation, 3 moles of what H2 is equals to what 2 moles of what NH3, right? So now anything you are actually calculating will always be at the top, because you are actually calculating mole of what NH3. Now what is the mole of NH3? This is what 2, so it will be 2 moles of what NH3. 2 moles of what NH3, right? Then 3 moles of what H2. Now do you know the reason why it's like this? So that mole of H2 cancel out mole of what H2. So what are you going to do here? So you're not going to be 5.8 times 2 moles of what NH3 all over what 3. So what will be the answer? 3.87 moles. There's the answer. So it means that 5.8 moles of what H2 is equal to 3.87 moles of what NH what NH what 3. So you can see how easy it is. This just add to what just for what when it comes to what mole to what mole what relationship. In my next video, I'm going to teach you mass relationship. I want mole to what mass relationship. So I believe you have gotten something valuable from this video, right? So go and look at some practice problem you can actually involve yourself with and master it, right? If you are not subscribed to this channel, please I will advise the world to subscribe to this channel, because we upload 3 times a week on this channel just to make videos for you. Now, in case you have any topic that is actually give you tough time to understand, leave at the comment sections, right? So I'm going to make videos on that, specifically what for you, right? If you like the video, give a thumb up, and what refer to what your friends. See you in the next video.